Colombia. Oh, this country's cool. So cool, in fact, it's been my home base for almost 6 years.
What's up, my friend? Dakota McLaren.
City of choice, Medellin. Nature, culture, fun, times. This place is my kind of vibe. And Def has my kind of tribe. But the city is not what this video is about. It's about a secret little gem that hides just 25 minutes away. San to the F to the E to the LIX.
Called San Felix.
Where anything is possible.
Hey, you fly over Medellin and Medellin.
Best way to get there? Just call Monkey.
Hello?
A mysterious creature who dwells on the top ridges of the Medellin Valley. A true adrenaline seeker of our time. And definitely a unique kind of guy. This is a place that's perfect for friends and family. Grab some food and get a few cold drinks. Time to suit up, we're hitting the skies. View is amazing from up here. Alright, we're moving on. Time to gear up, we're going for a hike. Not a normal hike, this one's for the bold. Start with a zip over the valley, then a straight hike through some of the most wild shit I've ever seen. Definitely worth it though.
Look at that! Hey, we're actually gonna tie on this one. I gotta say, this has definitely been one of the coolest adventures I've ever done. This is surreal, dude. Yeah, right beside a cliff, dude. A waterfall, man. Wow, bro. One of my favorite adventures I've ever done. One serious tip I would give for anyone who does do this type of adventure is wear shoes that your toe doesn't stick out of. Oh,